Now that we've got the radio set up, we can install this in the car, and we'll get to it right after this. Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell. That way you'll be notified each time I upload a video. I haven't exactly figured out how I'm going to permanently mount the head unit. I was going to originally use the Lido vent mounts, but due to the way my vents curve, it doesn't look like that's going to work. I'm going to place the main unit under the passenger seat, then run the wires under the kickboard, up the door jamb, and then go into the fender well. Once the wires are in the fender well, I'll run them across the top of the radiator and on over to the battery. Here I have the main unit under the passenger seat, and I'm running the microphone cable up in between the seat and center console. Here you can see the power cable coming out from under the seat and going under the kickboard, up the door frame and on into the fender well. Now I've got the power wire through the fender well and fastened to the frame. Connected the power wire to the battery. You can see it running all the way back across the top of the radiator and on into the fender well. Now I've got everything hooked up, let's power on the radio and see if it's working properly. Now let's see if we can't make our first contact. You're available for a quick signal report. WJ6F just hooked up a new radio and antenna.
Coming in loud and clear, full quieting, KM6 RPA.
Greatly appreciate it. Thanks for the comeback, WJ6F. Well, looks like we got the radio hooked up properly. If you haven't done so already, click on the green and black icon to subscribe, and then check out one of these videos.